Welcome to Cloud Chronicles. Today we're diving into the technical depths of one of the most critical cloud security issues, misconfigurations. In our rapidly evolving digital landscape, even a seemingly minor configuration error can expose sensitive data and leave entire systems vulnerable. Let's unpack some examples that have been hot topics in the tech community lately. One common misconfiguration involves cloud storage services, where storage buckets are unintentionally left public. In these cases, the default settings are not properly adjusted and critical data becomes accessible to anyone online. For instance, a bucket might be configured to allow read and even write access, leading to data leaks or tampering. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. It's a recurring issue where the lack of stringent access control settings results in exposure of confidential information. Another area of concern is the mismanagement of identity and access management roles and policies. Often, overly permissive policies are assigned, giving users or services more access than they actually require. For example, a role might be granted full administrative privileges rather than the minimal permissions needed for its function. This opens up multiple attack vectors, as an exploited account could lead to widespread control over cloud resources. Network configurations in virtual private cloud (VPCs) also present significant challenges. Misconfigured security groups or firewall rules can unintentionally allow inbound traffic from untrusted sources, essentially opening the door to attackers. Specific examples include rules that are too broad, allowing all IP addresses or unnecessary open ports, which can be exploited for unauthorized access. APIs, the bridges that enable different services to interact, can also become weak links if not configured correctly. Insecure API endpoints without proper authentication and rate limiting can be exploited for data scraping or even service disruption. There have been detailed breakdowns of cases where developers overlooked setting up proper logging and monitoring on API calls, which not only allowed breaches to occur unnoticed, but also hampered the ability to perform forensic analysis after an incident. More businesses are turning to automated configuration management tools that continuously scan for these vulnerabilities. These tools can detect deviations from best practices in real time, alerting teams to a misconfigured resource before it becomes a critical risk. Centraleyes is revolutionizing how organizations manage cyber risks. Their approach to centralized automated risk management is proving to be a game changer in identifying and mitigating cloud configuration vulnerabilities.